Are you trying to lose some weight? Are you on a special diet? Come with me to show you amazing ways for boosting your body metabolism, which helps you to not only have a healthy lifestyle but also be in a good body shape. Hi, this is Parisa and you are watching Medicines. In this channel, we discuss about today's health topic and look for the science behind them. Let's start with one of the most important problems among people from all walks of life with different ages. Adults, teenagers, even some children. Yeah, obesity. Most of the time, obesity results from an imbalance between energy intake and energy output in your body. Obesity normally leads to diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases, cancers, and bone and joint problems. So, by having a suitable weight, you may prevent such difficulties and have a healthy body as well as healthy lifestyle. Simply, with calculating your BMI, you can detect your body weight status category. There is a free online BMI calculator in our website. You just need to put your weight and height and get your BMI as well as its interpretation. I will put the link in the description. Before continuing, quickly, if you like it so far, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. In order to achieve a normal BMI, nutrition therapy, physical activity, and also sometimes drug therapy can be helpful. Even there are some supportive groups such as Obesity Action Coalition, which helps people to treat their obesity and reach to their desired body shape. Apart from all these external factors which can reduce body weight, we can't ignore the heavy impact of internal factor, which is body metabolism. It can play a huge role for balancing energy intake and output. A simple fact, the higher the metabolic rate, the higher the energy expenditure, and as a result, the healthier and slimmer body. Scientifically speaking, metabolism is a term that is used to describe all chemical reactions involved in sustaining the living state of body cells. Physical activity, age, gender, body size, genetic, muscle mass, type of diet, hormonal and environmental factors, as well as your lifestyle are affecting the rate of your metabolism. According to studies, there are some simple and pretty interesting ways to boost your metabolism. Being happy. By laughing, you can easily boost your heart rate. The more blood pumped in your veins, the more oxygen available for energy expenditure. Being calm and relaxed. Under stress, cortisol, aka stress hormone, will release into the bloodstream and stimulate the fat storage process in your body. So, try to avoid stressful situations. Changing the type and time of your exercise. Kate Tracy at Duke University has done a research which shows that sometimes breaking the type and time routine of your exercise can actually help you to burn more calories and boost your metabolism. Using spicy foods. Capsaicin, the material which is responsible for the spiciness of peppers, has the potential potential to modulate metabolism via activation of TRPV1 receptors. These receptors have the potential to reduce the number and size of fat cells. Avoiding alcoholic drinks. Drinking alcohol makes your body, especially your liver, to get heavily busy burning it off, during which the majority of metabolic reactions as well as food digestion process will be kept on hold and fat storage process will take in place. Using natural fats. Avocado, nuts, and olive oil are some types of natural oils which help you to be full for extended time of the day. So it means less calorie consumption. Drinking more water. Believe it or not, water is involved in almost all the metabolic reactions in your body. Studies have shown that drinking 16 ounces of water boosts metabolic rate by 30% within 10 minutes. Drinking green tea. Catechin, which is one of the most important active ingredients in green tea, not only is a perfect antioxidant but also increases thermogenesis in your body. Thermogenesis is the process your body uses to burn energy. Using fresh vegetables and fibers with your meals. Vegetables are both nutrient-dense and full of fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate which human body cannot digest. However, including it in your meal is essential to both help with better bowel movement and avoiding constipation. Lack of nutrition can stop many of the metabolic reactions in the body, and since vegetables are full of nutrients, consuming them help with your daily metabolic rate. Taking omega-3 supplements. Omega-3 improves the glucose metabolism without any effect on weight. Although I must mention that people who are on the vegan diet must consider supplementing omega-3 in addition to their diet, since this fat chain can mostly be found in animal-based foods. Eating different groups of fruits and vegetables. By selecting a right portion and snack during your meals, all of the vitamins and minerals that are essential for your body will be provided, which help you to boost the metabolic rate and have the essential catalyzer for these reactions. Limiting the sugar amount and sweets. Consuming sugar and sugar-based products excessively makes your body to release a huge amount of insulin, and after a while, body cells become resistant to absorbing insulin and the sugar. This condition called insulin resistance. When the sugar cannot be absorbed by cells and burned to energy, insulin will store the extra sugar as fat. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to support us by subscribing and also click on the bell button next to it to be the first one watching our new contents. Recently, we have been very active on Instagram platform too. We post a lot of health science related information and also discuss about the topics about which you are interested to see a video. So check our Instagram and join the community. Just search for @MatchMedicines. We hope to see your lovely faces there. Have a nice day. Bye bye.